learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management. This webinar is organized by Firebird Institute of Research and Management. Today, we are going to give you the last minute preparation strategy for the upcoming FEB MAT 2023 exams. This pre-national level webinar is organized and conducted by Firebird Institute of Research and Management, which provides the best PGDM and international MBA programs in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Now, so already we have posted many videos based on MAT examinations, right? And now in this webinar, we are going to give you the techniques, the shortcuts which you need to follow and which you need to know while solving mathematical part as well as your data analysis and sufficiency part questions. And coming to the MAT exam pattern, in MAT, there are 5 sections. As you all know already, in MAT, there are 5 sections. Section 1, mathematical skills. Section 2, language comprehension. Section 3, data analysis and sufficiency. Section 4, intelligence and global critical reasoning. And Section 5, Indian and global environment. Okay, so the number of questions asked was in total 200 questions. So you have to answer these 200 questions in 150 minutes. Okay, and there is no sectional timing for attending these 200 questions. Keep it in mind. Now, see here, for each question you will get 1 mark. Okay, for each question you will get 1 mark. In total there are 200 questions, 200 marks you are going to score. Now, so already we have provided the topics and questions which was asked in the FEB MAT question paper. See, in short, I'll give you in FEB MAT question paper, in case of data analysis and sufficiency, you can expect the questions based on tabular form, bar graph, line graph, pie chart, case set, statement, and comparison type based questions. These are the important types of questions which you can expect in MAT exam. And coming to mathematical skills. So, in mathematical skills, the important top parts are geometry, mensuration, trigonometry. If you cover these 3 topics, definitely you can score 10 to 15 marks. Okay, and now apart from this, percentage, profit and loss, time, speed and distance, ratio and permutation, ratio and proportion, permutation and combination, simple interest and compound interest, pipes and systems, LCM, partnership, number system, progression. See, in overall, they used to cover all the topics in mathematical skills part. Okay, so you have to be thorough. If you are thorough with the concepts like geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, you can score up to 10 marks. And if in the point of data interpretation and analysis also, and also for mathematical skills, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, average and allegation concepts are very, very important. See, if you focus on these topics, definitely you can score out of 80 questions in both the sections. Definitely you can score 40 plus questions in this time, 40 plus marks. Okay, from these type of questions. So first try to focus on these topics, important topics, and then go with the other topics. Okay, let me repeat. In mathematical skills part, you have to focus on the topics like geometry, mensuration, trigonometry to score 10 marks. And to score another 15 plus marks, you have to focus on percentage, ratio and proportion, profit and loss, partnership, simple interest and compound interest. Okay, these topics you have to focus to get 15 plus marks. Okay, and these topics will also help you to solve another 15 to 20 questions in data interpretation part. So if you cover these topics alone, definitely you can get 40 plus marks in the upcoming FEB MAT examination. That is of sure. So note down these important topics to score minimum 40 marks out of 80, the mathematical skills as well as data analysis and sufficiency part. When coming to language comprehension, definitely you can expect 2 reading comprehension questions. Okay, see, apart from these 2 reading comprehension questions, so other topics you have to focus on idioms and phrase, meaning, logical paragraph, fill in the blanks, opposite meaning, error spotting, best way of writing and substitution. And keep it in mind that once you start with your examination, make sure that you first attempt your language comprehension part. See, in that, first try to attempt all the topics except language comprehension. Okay, so you can attempt idioms and phrases, meaning, logical paragraph, fill in the blanks, opposite meaning, error spotting, best way of writing and substitution in 15 minutes. Maximum you should take, except reading comprehension part, maximum you should take 10 to 15 minutes, that is maximum 15 minutes to answer these topics, and then give 10 minutes for reading comprehension. Complete your language comprehension topic in first half an hour. And then you start with intelligence and critical reasoning. And intelligence and critical reasoning, if you want to score the basic 15 to 20 marks, my suggestion is just go through the concepts like blood relation, coding and decoding, directions, number series. Okay, so if you want to score base 15 marks, these are the very, very important concepts in intelligence and critical reasoning, where the questions are asked repeatedly from these topics. And remaining, you should start after focusing with all the models in these topics. You have to start solving with your puzzle-based questions. Nearly 3 to 4 puzzles you can expect in the intelligence and critical reasoning part. So the next part you have to focus on intelligence and critical reasoning is puzzle type question. And then you focus with the other cases like assertion and reasoning, statement 1 and 2 case. Okay, so I hope you got some idea regarding intelligence and critical reasoning part. Okay. And so after completing intelligence and critical reasoning, in the next half an hour, come back to data analysis and sufficiency. After completing this, go to the mathematical skills based question and keep the last 10 minutes for attending Indian and global environment questions. Okay, so this is how you have to plan. See, the basic strategy is you should start your test with language comprehension. See, I'll repeat, you should start your test with language comprehension and then come to intelligence and critical reasoning and then data interpretation and analysis and next mathematical skills. Okay, these are the basic things, and keep and try to attend Indian and global environment at the end. Okay, this is the basic thing.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.